Sabrina, the teenage.
Hi, Sabrina. Have a banana for today.
I don't want a banana, it's moldy!
Hey, Derek. How's it going? No.
Hi, Daddy. Can I stay till 2:30, pretty please?
Where are you?
I'm just at a friend's house, really. I'm serious.
Get home right now.
No. Oh my God.
What the heck?
Shut up! I'm watching TV! Sabrina the Teenage